Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach new syllabus 8th standard contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. Definitely you will be benefited and you will learn more. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 2.2 sums. Find the perimeter and area of the figure. First of all, find the perimeter means before we have to see this length of arc of semicircle. So length of arc means this portion. Semicircle equal to, circle, circumference of the circle 2 pi r. Here semicircle means half into 2 pi r units. So 2 cancel, pi value 22/7. Here r is, here full length, here 7/2, radius here 7. Here you see that radius half of that. So 7/2 is the radius. So cancel it one time and here also cancel. So we get it 11. So perimeter means sum of all sides. So first here 11. Here 10 means that opposite side also 10. So add it, 10 plus 7 plus 10 plus 11. So 10 plus 7, 17 plus 10, 27 plus 11, 38. Next, area. Area of the given figure. So area equal to area of full length, here rectangle, minus area of semicircle. So area of rectangle formula is L into B, and area of a semicircle half into PR square units. So what is L here? L 10 into 7 minus half into pi value 22/7. Here r is 7/2 into 7/2. Cancel it. 10 sevens are 70 minus here cancel 2 and 11. Here one time 7 also one time cancel. So we get it 11 into 7, 77 by 2 into 2, 4. Cross multiply, 280 minus 77 by 4. So 280 minus 203/4. So 203 divide 5. That is 4. Here 4. 5 fours are 20. Here if you put it as 0, 54s are 200. So remaining 3. So if you put it the point, we can add 0. 7 fours are 28 minus 2. So again put it 0. 5 fours are 20. Therefore answer is area 50.75 centimeter square. Next, second sum. Here also find the perimeter and area. First perimeter, here given quadrant of circle, quadrant. So we have to find out length of arc of quadrant of circle, quadrant of circle. So quadrant means 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. Cancel it, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2 into 22 by 7. Here that radius is 3.5. So here 3.5 means here also 3.5 into 3.5. Cancel it, 1 2 is 2, 11 2s are 22, 1 7 is 7. Here 3 small numbers, so put it 0. We take it 35 point 5 sevens are 35. So 11 into 5 55. So here one decimal is there, so we put it a decimal here left hand side, so we get it a 5.5. So this is length of arc of one quadrant. Here given 1 and 2 quadrant of circle. So length of arc of so now that length of arc of 2 sectors, length of arc of 2 sectors equal to 5.5 plus 5.5, that is 11. Next, so find out perimeter equal to, so 11, here 6 means here also 6. So 11 plus 6 plus 3.5 plus 6 plus here also 3.5. 3.5. Once again we check the numbers. So full that length of this arc of sectors 11 and this 6 and next this 3.5, next 6 and next this 3.5. Okay, add it, 11 plus 6 17, 3.5 plus 3.5 7, so 17 plus 7 24 plus 6 30 centimeter. Next, find out area of the given figure. So here what shapes given? Rectangle. So area of rectangle plus area of 2 quadrant. Here 2 quadrant given. So area of 2 quadrant. So rectangle, what is length? L into B. So 6 into 3.5 plus area of 2 quadrant, what formula? First 2 into area of quadrant 1 by 4 into pi r squared. So 1 by 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into r is 3.5 into 3.5. So next, So 3.5 into 6 multiply. 5 6 are 30. 3. 3 6 are 18 plus 3 21. Here one point is there, so left one point, 21 is the answer. Plus here we cancel it. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2, here 11. Here also we cancel it. 1 7 is 7, here that small, so 0.5. So 11 5s are 55. 55 plus 55 into 35. After we put the decimal, 5 5s are 25, 2 5 5s are 25 plus 2 27 plus 3 5s are 15, 1 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. So 5 7 plus 5 12, 1 1 plus 2 3 plus 6 9 and 1. So we get it 1925. Here two decimals are there, here one decimal, here one decimal, so put left, so 19.5. So 19.5 plus 21 is, here we 19.25 plus 21, add it, 5 2.9 plus 1 10, 1 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4. So 40.25 centimeters square, that is area.